stay quiet. I haven't got that much energy on me now. All right, stay quiet.
Listen, if I want to talk, I'll talk. Think they're going to stop me flying over? Got another thing coming, mate. I'll do what I want with my drone because it's allowed to fly over, man. Look how high I am. Can't be causing anybody alarm, harassment and distress up there. Are you crazy? I've got a big ass plane going over, literally at the same time. Are they watching the drone? I bet they are. They are watching the drone. Wow. That's the police, that is, because they need to tell them that if they call them back about the drone going over, there's nothing they can do. Where are we right now? Look, we're not even over their boundary, but we can go over, and we will be going over. He has a civil claim coming his way. I did give him the opportunity many times to avoid the civil claim. He will be getting one. But fair play to your colleague for checking before she searched, because with the way things have gone, had she searched, I would definitely take it further.
People do mistakes, okay?
Agreed.
Only humans do mistakes.
Agreed.
Okay? So just, it's better.
That's why I tried to prevent it.
No, just now, I will say,
I'd rather her
stay peaceful.
spend a bit more time on the phone.
Stay quiet. I haven't got that much energy on me now. All right, stay quiet.
Listen, if I want to talk, I'll talk. You're not gonna keep me quiet.
Okay.
If I want to talk.
Okay, keep talking.
If you don't want to listen, go over there.
This is a secure site. Okay, we do government work, and we don't allow people to.
You make
photograph
spy
the
equipment for the
buildings.
government, right?
We do government work, and we
Right.
don't allow people to take photographs of the building. And you're here with several cameras, a body camera, probably still running.
I've got a drone in the bag as well.
What are you doing?
So is that
the avenue is
Yeah.
part of Ham Meadow,
Okay.
and therefore
Yeah.
it is private land. You cannot fly on private land
Over.
over this.
Okay.
So please, can you?
What I'll do to
leave?
keep you happy.
Otherwise, I'll call the police.
Okay. What
All
I'll do.
right. Thank you.
I'll go.
Thank you so much.
You're not going to listen to my side, no. I'm not going to do what you tell me unless you hear what I've got to say.
All right. Okay.
Because you're not my boss. You get that? You're the boss in there.
Right. Thank you so much.
I'm going to go on that road. I'm going to go on the road. All right. I'm going to stay right here. If you're not going to listen, I'll stay right here.
Are you? I've got a card.
I don't have a card. Do you have a card?
Yes, I do.
Does it say owner on there?
I am the actual owner of the property.
Are you?
Yes, I am. So
That's
it's my
interesting.
property.
Fair enough.
I don't understand why you are here.
Okay, so second question.
No, I'll do the questions. I
No,
don't
no.
understand why you're here.
I had two
Who are
questions.
you?
I've asked one.
Who are
Second
you?
one, I came in.
Who are you?
I came into here, and your colleague with the
are
leopard print
you?
skirt, she challenged me, and I told her what I'm doing,
What are you doing?
right? And I walked back out of the property.
What are you doing?
You've just told me I'm trespassing.
What are you doing?
I've been invited in, haven't I?
What are you doing?
Right, I have advice for you. Back to work.
No. What are you doing?
Get back to work, and I'll get back to my
What
work.
are you doing?
Back to work. Back to work.
Mark,
I'm just here to fly my drone, mate.
yeah, come on. We've asked you to leave.
Back to work, Mark, yeah?
We're asking you to leave. We have
Mark.
Back to work.
You won't give me your name.
Don't need to. What's your name?
Go and look it up. Owner of the building.
Right. How about you look at my name?
What's your name then?
What's your name?
What are you doing?
You're one of them, aren't you?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You are distracting us from the fact that you've disrupted business here today. You've disrupted a very important institution. No.
I haven't done that.
You've disrupted business here today.
I've stayed out here. I told them what I'm going to do first. I've stayed here.
You know you've caused a disruption.
That's not my problem.
It's not your problem
No.
causing disruption.
No, what? If I'm out here conducting my lawful activity, unless I'm strapping myself to the railings, which is a crime,
If it
then
is lawful, and we don't think it is lawful.
okay, oh, fair enough. We disagree on that. Hopefully, we get to the bottom of that soon. And you stopping me filming.
Yeah, I have to stop you. Yes, I have to stop you.
That will be. That's not good, mate.
Okay,
I'm allowed to film.
that's what you think.
I'm allowed to. Is there a reason the gate's been closed? Is there a reason the gate's been closed?
Yeah, because we're going to call the police.
Yeah, but you can't keep me in here.
Huh?
You can't keep me in here with the gate closed.
Well, I can't let that at the moment.
Do you know what that'll be? That's false imprisonment. Let me zoom into the camera just to document what's going on. So they're closing the gate on me, guys. To continue talking, unless that's open. Oh, it's opening. Great, thank you. No, I'll stay here. I'll happily stay in here and talk to you, or right there if you prefer.
Do you know what they call pathway?
It's not a pathway, but it's a space in the bush.
No, do you know what they call
Sorry?
pathway? It's not pathway.
Okay, but it's not a crime, my friend. You have to let me go.
I don't know whether it's a crime or not a crime.
It's a civil matter. What do you mean you don't know? You can't hold me here unless you know for sure.
Okay.
Because you're committing an offence by holding me here.
Yes,
I tell you what, I will go with you to the front door and I will wait there with you for the police.
We are not going to the front door. You will tell the police.
Right, I'm going to warn you guys, if you hold me here more than 5 more minutes time, I will have you arrested for false imprisonment.
Yes, I'm okay with that.
Can you
okay with
confirm
that.
on the phone that is actually what they're doing here, please?
They cannot be holding you against your will.
No, they can't.
They need to let you go.
Can you hear that?
I can't hear
You need to let me go, she said.
No, I'm not letting you go.
On the way, okay?
He said he's not listening to you on the phone. Yeah.
Do you want to lift anyone?
I'm okay, thanks for the offer, mate. Are you Essex Police, are you?
Yeah, Essex Police.
79881. You've been professional, thank you very much. But I do feel like you guys should be saying to them, at least saying, because the 999 caller said on the phone, you guys can't hold him there.
As the footage, is that something he's willing to delete?
No.
Or no?
Especially after what's happened.
I'm going to ask, I'm only asking the question.
He's detained me, so I need that as evidence.
He's allowed to go.
You are allowed it, it's just I'm only going to request, I'm only going to ask.
Yeah.
Are you going to blur out the faces just for their peace of mind?
On what, on YouTube?
On the video,
No.
yeah. You're not going to blur out their face?
If they were respectful to me,
okay,
I would have done, but you guys detained me against my will. Not
that's
you,
fine.
but you and... No, sorry, you two. It was you two. Yeah? If you apologise for detaining me, maybe I'll blur your faces.
I mean...
You can't detain somebody. Anyway, we're going to crack on and move on.